Alright guys, here's just some footage from the end of last week's video. Just want to give you another look at the CRX before we get it on track. Painting those moldings made such a big difference. The CRX looks a lot more complete. This is generally how our day begins. Show everyone unloading, get everything set up. Unfortunately, we have gravel pits. It's probably my least favorite thing about the track, but I'm just grateful that we have a track.
It's like, oh, that's Jon.
Yeah. Right now?
Yeah. I wasn't pulling much from you on the street.
Here we go. First time getting in the CRX with all the new spherical bushings. Let's see how it does. Give you a little bit of a different view this time. Get the full track view, my driver's point of view, and also a little bit of footage facing the driver. Here me and Matt decided to go out, just do a couple laps together. We always like to head out on track and just have a little bit of fun. Speaking from after seeing all this footage, the seat felt great. I love the way it felt. Just being able to sit there and be a little more planted before I just have to put my left knee into the door panel, just kind of holding myself in place when doing any sort of right turns. It made a huge difference along with the harness. I love the way that those two felt. Obviously we didn't have much time to warm up our tires following that Fiero, so I think he took that one just a little too hot. His tires didn't have any heat built up in them. A little bit of rubbing on the tires, on the rear quarters. see that shuddering when I come around the right turn trying to apply some gas. That was pretty apparent all day. It's probably my only concern or issue for the day. So you're gonna see right here coming around this turn. Not sure if it's a combination of too much air pressure, or something with all the spherical. Didn't really seem to get too much better as the day went on, but I haven't had a chance to look at it yet, so I'm going to try to figure out what it might be. See, it happens again right there when I'm trying to apply gas and coming out of a turn. Other than that, the car felt great. If I can get that issue figured out, I think it'll be a little bit quicker. Love the way everything felt so far. And honestly, it's just a blast to drive. This is Chris, my other CRX track buddy. I always tend to be doing a lot of work on his CRX. You may have seen some videos in the past with his blue CRX in there.
Huh?
My friend needs to learn how to play golf.
Oh, it's okay. We'll teach him.
I hope he knows how to get off the track.
I'm sure he'll figure it out one way.
Here's a little bit of my errors I made.
It's not God mode. I know.
This one, Chris was riding shotgun. This video probably made me laugh the most. Not this particular portion of it, but once I show you a second view. Came in too hot, just didn't slow down enough. Car was about to lose its grip in the back. And I corrected it. It was better to just go straight through. Look at Chris's face. Now this one is the best. This is us on the next lap coming down the long straight. He decides to put down his visor just in case.
What'd you think?
Damn, dude, you go all. I thought it was gonna break your handle here. I was like,
dude, I'm gonna fly it. I've got track twice today, man.
yeah.
Yeah, man. They were trying to push it a little too much.
I can't believe how fast you're taking the thing.
Yeah.
Here's just our flybys. Chris was having an ignition rotor come loose on his distributor. That's why you hear the sputtering. Just a little look at Chris's CRX. We had Nate's CRX, the primered one, and Matt's blue sedan here.
Steering wheel, like when you hear it, but it doesn't affect the steering wheel.
Interesting.
Because you know when you feel a rumble, it moves the steering wheel because it's on the tires.
And that wraps it up, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next week. Got a little bit of footage from a track up in Albuquerque. It was my first time on a different track. But get a little bit of footage there for the next video. See you guys then.